Right here at GarageMe Garage Door Replacement Jefferson NJ. This site offers quality services in a permanent prices. One service we offer is garage door repair work. Irrespective of what is wrong along with your garage door, we can appear and check it out. We'll then offer you a price quote and you may select whether you need it fixed or perhaps not. Our recommendation is that you obtain garage door issues looked after immediately just to ensure they don't get worse as time goes on. If you don't carry out issues without delay, they become worse and therefore means they are more expensive to correct down the road.